It's currently 66 degrees. Ah! I fixed it! Look! Because I rerouted the wire into the, where the Bluetooth headset would go. There's like a little door there, and I put it through the door. So now, my wire for my microphone is nice and secure, not dangling off the side. I actually put the adapter on the inside, so technically it would be mostly waterproof. I mean, the GoPro mod doesn't, I believe, claim to be fully waterproof. There's little doors on the back that cover all of the ports, so I think if it was like misty or something, it'd probably be a little okay, but probably not a good idea to ride in the rain. It should be a beautiful ride. The sun is nice and warm. So I gotta show you this picture, and hopefully I can go back and grab it. I was looking at a house last night. Unfortunately, it sold before I could get a hold of the realtor. I contacted the realtor and they were like, oh yeah, it's sold. Which is weird because it had been on the market for 10 days. It was like 0.4 acres. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. A, it was a 3-car garage, which is an upgrade, right? Okay. Then it was a double deep, not double deep, but like a half deep on 2 of the cars, 2 of the garages, 2 of the doors. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I could pull my Suburban in, I could pull my Acadia in, and my Fury in, and then still have room for like a workbench, the refrigerator and freezer I could have put in there, stuff like that. Okay, this guy had like a gun safe and a TV and bench. Okay, all right, so then not only did it have all of that, but it had another garage that was like a single door. Actually, it might have been like one of those smaller, like lawnmower size garage doors. Now at first you're like, oh, so you can put your lawnmower and stuff like that in there, and bikes or whatever. Oh no, it was carpeted. Oh sorry, the first one was heated and air conditioned, the 3-car. Then the other one, it's heated and air conditioned, and it had like basically a man cave. It had like desk and computer and like all that stuff. Well, I'd probably take that out and I'd pull my motorcycle in there on the carpet, baby. You could work on it in the winter because it was heated and air conditioned, and you could put all the kids' bikes in there or something. I don't know what you could do, but you could do a lot. Oh, it's so great. It was right next to the other one. And then you're like, well, what about the mower and the snowblower and the things? Oh, don't worry. There was another shed in the back with a garage door, like a mini garage door in the backyard. Yeah, I was like, okay, this is every man's dream. Get the muscle car in there, get the bike in there, but it was sold. So I'm kind of bummed about that today, but apparently it's just not God's timing, and it's not the right house. So, or if it is, it'll become for sale again someday. So we're not really like super wanting to move. The issue is I can make a lot of money on my house right now, which is probably like what everybody can say right now because the market is insane. But we have a lot of equity in our house, and it'd be the time to move up. But we got a few things we need to do to it. A couple things that probably should do. I wonder how my audio is. Microphone should be in the same position. Guess we'll find out. Oh, there's a Hummer. That's a real Hummer. You know, a real one. Now, is it the actual military, or is it... It's got a thing on the front. What is that thing on the window? I don't know. I don't know if that's the military. It very well could be, especially because there's 2 passengers, which makes me more believe that it's military. And it's, there's a National Guard base here. I'm gonna vote it's real. It doesn't have a plate in the front either. Should we go the back way, just for fun? Let's go this back way so we don't have to go on the hill. It's kind of a tough call because you can either go the next light and get stuck on that little hill, or you can go here. Oh, how in the world did I just downshift into neutral? What's the odds of that? Yeah, so if you go, oh, you know what? Let's go drive past that house. Think I can find it? I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just gonna see if I can find it. I just thought, why not? Why not just go and drive past it? It's already sold. It's torturing myself. Can I get there from here? That's the question. Nope, not there, you can't. From here? I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Never been on this road in my life. There's the school. Apparently Crocker Elementary is right here. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to get me where I need to go, but we're going to try. If I remember correctly, this doesn't take me where I want to go. This is just a loop. Oh, maybe I can get over. I thought there was one road that accessed from here over. Maybe this is it. Literally never been on this road in my life. Oh, I have been over here because I looked at a house in there once. I did look at a house in there once, a long time ago. So now I'm starting to feel a little more, or maybe it was here. Oh, it was here. Look at that grassy area. So nice. Okay, so I'm not sure where it's at here. We're going to turn here and see if this is it. Ooh, there it is, right there in the corner. There's the fence. There's the shed in the back. Yep, there it is. I'll show it to you. I'll show it all to you. Here we go. There's the little thing on the side. Yep, there's a little thing on the side. Just going to come up here and turn around. See if we can do a big turnaround here on the street without putting my foot down. Think we can do it? I think we can do it. Yeah, that's the goal. That's what you're supposed to be able to do in class, right? Yeah, I did it. See that little shed? There's the little man cave. Oh, that would have been amazing. Yep, could have had that house. Rub it in. Just rub it in. Rub it all in. That would have been great. Okay, we're going to go left. Because you can kind of go either way here. And going left is definitely, well, we don't usually, oh, I bottomed out. Definitely be a shorter ride to work every day, which would be super sad. Marky Mark's new bike. Look at that thing. Let's take a little tour. I'm not sure if I did that last time. I think I looked real quick. Oh, no, yeah, I did. I guess I did ride with him. Did I ride with him once? I can't remember. I don't think I did. I don't think I've rode with him yet. All right, look at this thing. V-twin 1700. It's got all the goodies. It's 2015. I believe it's a Kawasaki. What else? Kawasaki Vulcan. It's got analog brakes. It's got Bluetooth radio. I don't know what this is up here, but it's something. Little bag to hold things. RAM mount. Got your phone charger. Got all the accessories. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Little bullet antenna you changed there. See what you did there. That's right. I can just close my helmet now. Isn't that silly? But I can, because I don't have a cord hanging there anymore. It was quite nice. No backpack on, so I don't have to worry about that. We're gonna take a little spin around the lot. We had some criminal activity last night. Well, actually, technically it was Sunday afternoon. Some people came and stole a catalytic converter off of a vehicle that was parked back here for a few days. Also took a bunch of stuff out of the dumpster, which is weird that they're taking stuff out of the dumpster, but so we have a little bit of plastic there. I'm not sure if that was involved. I'm guessing it was. There's a couple pieces there cut. Don't really see anything else. Obvious. They did have a bunch of stuff fall off their vehicle. Let's check right here if you see anything noticeable. Just gonna check the dumpster. I think they were taking stuff out of the dumpster, but I just was gonna take a peek in the dumpster to see if they left anything. Nothing obvious. But they took a speaker out of there that was broken. Take a little peek over here. I just wanted to ride down the sidewalk, because that's fun. Oh yeah, it was a drink. Lauren was right, it was a drink that fell off the truck, spilled all over the place. But we got a license plate, so we'll get them. Alright, which way should we go? I want to go a fun way, but I don't really know which way we should go. Let's go right. I feel like my ear is flipped down on the left over here. I don't know if it's because of my new microphone setup. By the way, I should probably check that and make sure that's working. Hopefully this bus holds its lane. I'm going to keep my eye out for the vehicle in question. Might as well. It's a white Ford, probably 250 or something like that, you know? Like the work truck back on it with the little doors, and actually had side steps on the side of the box on the back. What do you do? You want me to drive on the paint lines? Nope, you don't. Hello. Hi, can you hand me that little cable right there?
This?
Yeah.
This side?
Yeah.
What does it do?
It keeps the battery charged up just in case I have a problemo.